If you have some questions or doubts before buying any digital product or services or any of the courses, then it's recommended that you ask the people who had already experienced the services. But if at all you are having hundreds of doubts and questions before buying something, then it's not recommended that you go and ask anyone. If you feel from your heart that this is right, but still I am not able to actually get all my answers, then the best thing you can do is take the step and experience by yourself, then come up to a judgment whether it's good or bad or what. When you already have hundreds of doubts and hundreds of questions, if you're going to ask a lot of people, then you will be more confused, and that will land you with no decision, neither a yes nor a no, and you will be still in a confused state. So wasting all the time and energy and not coming up to a conclusion is not the right thing to do. Whether it's a yes or a no, both are the decisions. It's important that you take the decision yes. And why I'm talking about the feeling? Because your heart will always speak the truth. Your mind is the data that will trick you to believe on things which people are saying, because that is going to be logical, in which you will get the reasoning of why that is right and why that is wrong. But your heart will tell you the right things about, yes, you will feel this is right. Maybe you don't have the answers, but my recommendation, what has helped me in my life for taking the right decision, is always my heart telling me that do this is for you. Nobody believed in me, but I took that step because my heart told me yes. So simply you can also do the same. If this is something new you have learned, let me know in the comment section and follow me for more such videos.